Okay, welcome back. This is Amelia here. In the last video, what we did was we created a branch, we added in a theme, and then we merged the branch back to our master branch. Okay, so in this video, we're going to go through doing the plugin, almost a very similar style. So what we're going to do is we're going to firstly create a branch. So we're going to do git checkout, and let's call this test plugin. Okay. Oh, there we go. Git checkout -b. I forgot the -b. Test plugin. Okay, so we're now in this test plugin branch. So let's now do something a little bit different with adding a plugin. So let's create a folder, and let's call this test plugin. And we're now going to create a file. Testplugin.php. Let's quickly open this up, and I'm going to add in a WordPress plugin snippet there. Okay, so that's all done. All right, so let's move back into there. So that's all good. Okay, so let's now do a git status. And we're going to see that we now have our plugin folder there with the plugin.php thing that we now need to add in. So let's do a git add, and we need to do content plugin and test. Okay, so let's add that in. That's all good. Let's do a git status. Okay, so it's now in the staging. So let's do a git commit. And let's add in a message. Adding in test plugin. All right. So let's do a git status. Oh gosh. My typing's really working fantastically this morning. Okay, so we're all working directories all nice and clean. That's all good. Let's now very quickly, let's do a git checkout. And we'll go back to our master, and we should see that that plugin folder has now been hidden away because it's not in the master branch, it's in our test theme branch. So let's go back to our test plugin. Okay, and you'll see that that plugin now returns. So let's go to our installation here, and I'm going to, I was logged in for a moment, I'm just logging out. And let's do log back in, and if we go to our plugins, we now have this plugin name here, so we can now activate that. Obviously there's nothing to do there, so that doesn't really matter at all. So we can activate it. You can go ahead and do your development work. Again, make sure that you are logging in and logging out if you go ahead and switch branches. But let's say, for instance, that we've now finished everything, so I'm actually going to log out. And let's go back here. And so we've finished everything, so let's check out master. Okay, let's now do a git merge with test plugin. Okay, so that's just a fast forward merge because we didn't make any other changes. Git status. Okay, so we're all good to go. We can go in and activate that, and that's all great. So I'm going to leave this video here. In the next video, we're going to have a look at something a little bit different. So when we're starting to develop a customer's or a client's theme and adding in plugins, or their site, there might be some plugins that we don't need to use in a development situation. And there's a really nice little must-use plugin that Mark Jackwith has provided. Again, it's using that local -config file to be able to detect whether plugins should be activated or not. So let's go through that in the next video. Okay. Bye.